I can change here, write a Python program, write a Python program for accepting a name and display the name. Okay, this is the program. So how to write? In the case of Aishwarya, this is different, I think. Okay, print statement is working or not. Print statement you can also put like this, space, and directly put under double quotation. In the case of Aishwarya system, you have to put like this, but in other system you have to put a normal bracket only, and then you have to ask the end user to enter the name. Enter your name. Okay, enter your name. Now, so you have to take a variable here. Name is my variable. In Python there is no variables, actually it is an object. Name equals to, okay, input is the predefined function. In the case of Aishwarya's system, you have to type, I will put in a comment line, see here, single line comment for Aishwarya system. In the case of Python 2. Okay, 2.0 hash name equals to raw underscore input, because this is the collection of characters, because Aishwarya is using the olden version. For that particular purpose you need to use this one. Okay, this was, and here name, this will not be executed, it is a comment. Okay, in the case of Aishwarya I have to use this particular sentence instead of this, because input is supported nowadays for all type of functions, but Aishwarya's laptop consisting of very olden version, that is 2.0, that's why you have to do like this. Next, after accepting you have to print the name. Your name is put that name comma name. Okay, so this is the 3 statement program. This is one statement and this is the other statement. In the case of Aishwarya, see how to write like this, don't write this one, and this is the enter your name. 3 statements. Save as, I will go to the save as. This is a name test program, name test.py. Save it. Save it. Now execute the program. Now see here, it will be asking the name. You can enter any name. For example, I am entering my name, and whatever I entered, that will be stored in the name variable and displayed. See what happened. This is the 3 lines code. I will use some tool once again. Wait. See here what happened in the first line. In the first line it will be asked to enter any name, your name. In the second line, in the case of Aishwarya's, this one, others for 3.0 onwards, name equals to input. That means name is a variable that was stored in any RAM. Name is the object location and it consisting of some address that was there in RAM. So whatever value you entered in the output, the value will be directly stored in this particular location. For example, if I want to come to your home, how can I come? By seeing the address, by searching your address, I will come to your home. Similarly, I entered some ABC in the output. ABC is the collection of characters. This will be stored in the name. How this ABC will search for this particular address 100 and stored in this particular location. Okay, so that is the space that was provided in the RAM. You understand? Okay, so let us once again I will see here three statements. Okay, first statement is I asked end user to display enter your name. In the output it will be displayed for the first statement. See the second statement in the case of yours raw underscore input. That means you can enter some value in the output, some value, some name in the output. The value will be stored in the name. That means name is the location name in the RAM. In the RAM, because RAM is the primary memory and hard disk is the secondary memory. Our program data is continuously stored in RAM only. So what is the memory location name? Name is name only. Name is name only. You understand? I provided my variable name is name. And it consisting of some address. I don't know what is the address. That's why I assumed the address is 100. The address is 100. Whenever you enter some data like ABC or Divya, any particular name, this particular set of characters will search for this address and stored in this particular memory. This is the second statement. And the third statement is name is a string. Name is will be printed in the output plus comma whatever memory was there in the name, what memory you stored, that will be displayed. You understand? Okay, so once again I repeat, I will run my program, run file, and if I enter some, once again I run my name test.py. Here I entered Aishwarya is my name, then the name is Aishwarya. That means whatever value I entered, that will be printed in the output.